Humber faculty is working closely with 3 national polytechnics in Kenya to develop curriculum, assessment tools, peer-to-peer learning strategies to not only improve learning outcomes in the classroom, but to also prepare students with the skills so they are responsive to the labor market needs.
So there seems to be a need for the country's education institutions to embrace competence as a solution to equip our country with skills that are required to propel us to the next millennium. CFEP has come in at the right time to help us identify where the gaps are.
They're already being asked to change the way that they're teaching and learning through the Ministry of Education in Kenya, so we're just supporting them on this transition.
I'm here in Kenya working with the CFEP 02 program, and my role is CBET facilitator, which stands for Competency-based education training. So what that really means is moving from kind of an older model of teacher-centered learning to a more learner-centered concept, and applying adult pedagogies and methodologies that we think are student-centered and effective for learning.
I want to say that my capacity in knowledge and in delivery of content, in interaction with various groups of people has improved quite a lot. I'm ignited that competence-based is the solution.
The emphasis is really placed on what the person can do in the workplace as a result of completing the program of training. So one of the big differences is that they're using equipment that can be found in the industry to have hands-on practical learning in the classroom.
We have been able to see changes in the trainers. Their approach has entirely taken a new angle, and we see them using more and more of the equipment and incorporate it into their teaching. We've managed to develop a curriculum that is CBET based in the mechanical department, and we are ready to roll. We also had a chance to visit Canada, and that was a very good chance to see how Humber does CBET training.
Is this a new methodology for you, or have you been using this for a long time?
No, this one is now incorporating the CBET concept.
Yeah.
That's what you have taught me that I'm applying. That's what.
The students who've had this experience, they're quite excited. This is a new way of doing things, and it makes them get in touch with the actual work environment. But we're working towards having the whole institution come together and share what we have learned about CBET training.
One of the biggest achievements of this project is the change in the mindset of the people to move from knowledge-based system to a competency-based system. Not only a change in the curriculum or the training itself, but also a change that includes other aspects of training, such aspects as the gender inclusivity, the environmental sustainability, some of the aspects that we really did not give much focus on, that this consortium has done to this institution.